Unlock hidden real estate fortunes by mastering property liens with Propstream, transforming distressed situations into lucrative opportunities. Propstream is your secret weapon for finding undervalued property liens, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage it. First, let's dive into Propstream's powerful search filters. We're looking for specific lien types that indicate potential distress. Think tax liens, mechanics liens, or even HOA liens. The key is to identify properties where the owner is behind on payments. Use the lien type filter, and then narrow your search by delinquency date to find opportunities that are ripe for acquisition. Next, we'll refine our search. Consider geographical areas that have a higher likelihood of distressed properties. You can also layer in other filters like property type or owner occupancy status to further target your ideal investments. Once you've generated a list of potential lien opportunities, it's time for research. Click on a property to pull up its detailed information. Propstream provides crucial data like owner information, property details, and most importantly, the specifics of any outstanding liens, including the amount owed and when it was filed. This is where you assess the potential profit, understand the total lien amount, and research the market value of the property. You want to find situations where the lien amount is significantly less than the property's true worth. This gap represents your potential profit margin. Now, for acquisition, Propstream can help you get contact information for these property owners. Reach out directly to negotiate a purchase of the lien. Many owners are eager to offload their debt. Creating a win-win scenario, you acquire the lien at a discount, and they resolve their financial obligation. Alternatively, you can explore options to purchase the property itself. Some lien holders have the right to foreclose, and you can step in to acquire the property at a tax sale or through other legal processes outlined by Propstream's data. Always consult with legal counsel to understand the specific procedures in your area. By diligently using Propstream's tools to identify, research, and strategize, you can turn seemingly distressed situations into lucrative real estate investments. Start exploring these overlooked assets today and watch your portfolio grow.